Curious about opportunities that allow you to monetize your typing skills? Stay tuned because in a moment we're unveiling a unique method among these various work-from-home jobs that lets you do just that. Language tutoring. Language tutoring, particularly in English, has emerged as a sought-after avenue for individuals seeking remote work. Platforms like Preply offer a flexible opportunity where earnings range from $5 to $25 per hour for English tutors. This dynamic range reflects the variety of factors influencing pay rates, including proficiency levels, teaching experience, and demand for specific languages. Those adept in English communication and grammar find this platform appealing. Whether you're a seasoned tutor or possess a strong command of the language, Preply opens doors to a broad spectrum of learners worldwide. This flexible setup eliminates geographical constraints, enabling tutors to connect with students globally, fostering cultural exchange while earning a decent income. From conversational practice to specialized topics, the teaching scope varies, catering to diverse learner needs. Furthermore, the platform's user-friendly interface streamlines scheduling, payments, and class management, allowing tutors to focus on delivering quality lessons. The range in hourly rates emphasizes the scalability of this opportunity, offering beginners a starting point while rewarding experienced tutors for their expertise. For those passionate about imparting language skills, Preply stands as a viable platform to monetize English proficiency while working remotely. Typing jobs. Rev.com presents a myriad of earning potentials through its typing jobs, catering to varying skill levels and tasks. For transcription work, individuals can expect an hourly wage ranging between $8 to $10. This involves converting audio content into text, offering a straightforward entry point into remote work. However, the earning potential escalates significantly for tasks like transcribing audio or video content, where rates soar from $30 to $110 per hour. This task demands precision and efficiency in converting spoken words into written text. Moreover, syncing captions with video commands even higher compensation, ranging from $54 to $110 per hour. This meticulous process requires aligning text with video content, ensuring an accurate and synchronized viewing experience. Rev.com's diverse offerings cater to different proficiencies and offer a pathway to maximize earnings. While basic transcription may suit beginners, advanced tasks like syncing captions offer higher pay scales, rewarding individuals for their attention to detail and precision in their work. Microtasks. Clickworker introduces a versatile platform offering diverse microtask opportunities with estimated earnings ranging from $6 to $11 per hour. This platform operates as an intermediary, connecting individuals with a variety of small online tasks that can be completed remotely. Tasks on Clickworker encompass a wide spectrum, from simple data entry to more intricate tasks like image labeling or research assignments. While these tasks may seem minor, they collectively contribute to valuable data sets used for artificial intelligence and machine learning purposes. The flexibility of Clickworker allows individuals to work at their own pace and convenience, offering a supplementary income stream or a part-time gig. However, it's important to note that earnings may vary based on task availability, complexity, and the individual's efficiency in completing tasks. For those seeking a flexible remote work option or looking to earn additional income, Clickworker presents an accessible platform to engage in various microtasks and contribute to larger AI-related projects while earning a modest hourly income. But wait, let's take a quick pause. I'd love to hear from you, our amazing audience. Are you excited to boost your income with these online earning opportunities? Let the money flow from all directions by following our Pivot Online strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. User testing. User testing offers an avenue for individuals to earn income by testing websites and applications. On average, testers can expect to earn around $10 per test, which typically takes between 5 to 20 minutes to complete. These tests involve providing feedback on the user experiences, functionalities, and overall usability of various digital platforms. However, some tests present higher earnings, providing testers with increased compensation for their time. For instance, certain tests may pay up to $30 for 30 minutes of testing or even $60 for an hour-long session. These higher-paying tests often require more comprehensive feedback and in-depth exploration of the platform. The flexibility and variability in test durations and compensation rates allow testers to choose assignments that fit their availability and preferences. User testing emerges as an accessible platform for those looking to earn additional income by offering their insights and opinions on digital products and services. Online jobs. Online job boards like Upwork and Fiverr present lucrative opportunities for freelancers offering services such as social media management or customer service. These platforms offer estimated earnings of around $30 per hour for tasks within these categories. In the realm of social media management, responsibilities may include content creation, scheduling posts, engaging with audiences, and analyzing performance metrics. Similarly, customer service roles involve addressing inquiries, resolving issues, and ensuring customer satisfaction through various communication channels. Both Upwork and Fiverr act as intermediaries, connecting freelancers with clients seeking specific services. Freelancers set their rates based on expertise, experience, and the complexity of the tasks they offer. For individuals proficient in social media marketing or adept in providing excellent customer service, these platforms serve as viable avenues to showcase skills, secure projects, and earn a substantial income while working remotely. The ability to set rates and choose projects offers freelancers flexibility and control over their earning potential. Content writing. Content writing remains a lucrative venture, with a recommended rate of $20 per 1,000 words. While rates may vary based on experience, niche expertise, and project complexity, this rate serves as a common benchmark within the industry. Earning potential for content writers hinges on the time taken to craft a given word count. If an individual can produce 1,000 words within an hour, they could potentially earn $20 per hour. However, writing time can fluctuate based on research, editing, and topic familiarity, thereby influencing hourly earnings. YouTube management. Operating a YouTube channel offers diverse income potentials that vary widely based on various factors. Successful channels can generate substantial revenue through ad placements, sponsorships, and other monetization avenues. For instance, a thriving channel might earn $9,000 monthly from ad revenue alone, reflecting the platform's earning potential. However, when considering the time invested in creating videos and the resulting monthly income, the hourly earnings can be impressive. For instance, if a channel operator spends a limited amount of time producing content that generates significant passive income, such as $9,000 per month, the hourly return can theoretically equate to $600 per hour based on the time invested in content creation and the consistent income generated from previous uploads. Successful YouTube channels, while requiring dedicated effort and time to build, can become powerful sources of passive income, enabling creators to potentially earn substantial hourly rates based on the income generated by their content. The Pivot Online Verdict. For those seeking immediate earnings and tasks with lower entry barriers, options like transcription work, microtasking platforms, and user testing provide accessible means to make money online. However, these avenues might offer relatively modest earnings initially. On the other hand, professions such as language tutoring, content writing, and YouTube channel operation present higher earning potentials. Though these may require more specialized skills, time investment, and persistence before reaping significant financial rewards, they offer greater scalability and potential for substantial long-term income. Ultimately, the choice of work-from-home job depends on individual preferences, skills, and long-term goals. Exploring multiple avenues might offer a diversified income stream, balancing immediate earnings with the potential for higher long-term returns. Success in these ventures often demands dedication, continuous learning, and adapting to the evolving demands of the online market. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.